Iran, a land with a rich and ancient history, has undergone a series of profound transformations in recent history. These changes have reshaped its society, culture, and political landscape, leaving a lasting impact on the lives of its people. Before the 1979 revolution, Iran was a monarchy, a kingdom ruled by the Shah, a figure of immense power and influence. The Shah's reign was characterized by modernization efforts and close ties with the West. Western music, with its diverse genres and styles, fashion, reflecting global trends and individual expression, and movies were incredibly popular, offering a window into different worlds and cultures. Women wore what they liked, expressing their individuality and embracing diverse styles, and cities like Tehran were vibrant hubs of social activity, full of bustling nightclubs and cinemas that offered entertainment and escape. There was a sense of openness and cultural exchange, a feeling of connection to the wider world, but also underlying social and economic inequality and growing unrest, fueled by political grievances and a desire for change. The revolution, a watershed moment in Iranian history, brought about a new government based on Islamic principles, fundamentally altering the course of the nation. Many aspects of life changed almost overnight, as the new regime implemented its vision for an Islamic society. Dress codes became significantly stricter, particularly for women, who were now required to adhere to specific standards of modesty. Religious rules and values increasingly shaped daily life, influencing everything from social interactions to cultural expression. Some individual freedoms were curtailed as the new government sought to establish its authority and enforce its interpretation of Islamic law, but new hopes for social justice, economic equality, and a more equitable society were also born, inspiring many who had long felt marginalized. Today, Iran presents a complex and fascinating mix of old and new, tradition and modernity, religious conservatism, and a yearning for greater openness. Some Iranians, particularly older generations, long for aspects of the past, while others, especially younger citizens, embrace the opportunities and challenges of the present. Young people in particular are navigating a complex social and political landscape, are finding creative and innovative ways to express themselves and their aspirations, often pushing the boundaries of what is considered acceptable within the existing rules. Art, fashion, and music serve as powerful vehicles for self-expression and social commentary, have become important ways to push boundaries, challenge conventional thinking, and share new ideas and perspectives with the world. The story of Iran is far more than just a narrative of politics and ideology. It's a deeply human story about how people adapt to changing circumstances, find ways to survive and thrive, and keep their spirits alive in the face of adversity. The revolution undeniably changed many aspects of Iranian society, reshaping its institutions and cultural norms, but it did not erase the inherent warmth, creativity, resilience, and enduring hope that define the Iranian people and their rich cultural heritage.